Hi friends, welcome to Kanaka Club. So today we are reviewing the facelifted Tata Nexon in this all new green color. So it comes in both petrol and diesel and has a 6-speed manual and an automatic transmission. And after seeing the car, I can tell that it's focused on the young generation by its futuristic design. So the grille is now half closed with the piano black panel, and there are projector headlights and round fog lamps surrounded by this beautiful frame. On the side there is Nexon engraved on a piano black piece and 16-inch diamond cut alloy wheels with piano black ORVMs with a turn indicator. Like the previous Nexon, there is white strip which runs through all the pillars of the car, including the back. So at the back, there's the signature tri-arrow tail light, a rear view camera with piano black treatment on the bottom with white treatment on the top, with Nexon written in bold like the Harrier. And this is a one-touch boot, and the boot capacity is 355 liter. There is a spare tire and a toolkit with a light and a parcel shelf. This is a manual boot, not an automatic, and the tri-arrow theme is carried to the rear bumper and on the reflectors. So let's see what Tata has given us kids at the back. So one thing to notice is that now you get fabric on the doors, and like the previous Nexon, piano black grab handle. So the car is very premium from the inside. The seats are very comfortable and have good bolstering and underside support. Knee room is very good and the headroom is good as well, and I can stretch out. And this is not a reclinable seat, but in my opinion, Tata should have given a recline function so that you can sleep on long drive. There is no magazine holders, but there is an armrest with 2 cup holders and a rear AC vent. Now let's get into the driver's seat. So the front also has the fabric and the piano black grab handles with a bigger cubby space over the old one. In the driver's seat, I have a commanding view ahead, so we get this new steering with the piano black accents all around, and this is a flat bottom steering which gives a very sporty feel. So in this particular model, you get this wristband, so you can open the car by sensing the band on the door, so you don't have to carry the key everywhere. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. So there are 3 drive selects:
Sport drive mode activated.
City and Eco. There's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in this 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. There's the hazard light button and the shortcut buttons down below. And an added feature like a cool cup holder has been given. And you get this all new digital cluster which is very crisp to read. And you get this tri-arrow finish on the dashboard and on the front and the rear seats. So now let's get into the mechanics. The Tata Nexon is powered by a petrol 1.2 liter Revertron engine which produces 170 Nm of torque. and 120 horsepower. So the ground clearance of the Tata Nexon is 209 mm and the pricing starts from 7 lakhs and tops at 13 lakhs ex-showroom. If you're looking for an entry-level SUV, the Tata Nexon is the best. Thank you friends for watching my video and do not honk unnecessarily. I really admire Mumbai Police for their initiative. Till then, stay safe. Jai Hind.
Welcome to the honking capital of the world. Here, people honk even when the signal is red. Sawai hai na? Maybe they think that by honking, they can make the signal turn green faster. समजतच नाही. We, the Mumbai police, were itching to do something about this. One day, we connected decibel meters to a few signal poles around the city. If the decibel level went over 85 dB, the signal would reset and stay red for longer. आता बसा बोंबलत. बजाओ बजाओ और जोर से बजाओ और रुको. Feel free to honk. That is, if you don't mind waiting. कशी वाटली आयडिया?